Good afternoon, Eric Windheim, building biologist and electromagnetic radiation specialist. We are looking at a generator backup system installed in Mill Valley. On this conduit we have a net current of 8.35. On this conduit we have a net current of 8.5. This one 8.34. And on this green ground wire, this heavy-duty green ground wire here, we have 2.079 amps. Should never be any current at all, ever, on a ground wire on a continuous basis. It's only there for emergency, instantaneous fault clearing. So this is creating very huge magnetic fields of up to 14 milligauss about where I'm standing, and it needs to be corrected. Seems to be associated with the backup generator system and transfer cases. So thanks again. Once again, 11, 8.6, 8.8, and it's jumping around. It changes on all three circuits simultaneously. Up here we have now 3.2 on the ground wire. Thank you for watching.